Page 34, every Sunday morning. Here we're talking a little bit about changing fingering. We've already done this in one piece already, but let's talk about it. That's fine. Let's look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 1 flat in the key signature. We're in the key of F major, 4/4 time signature again. Now we have quarter notes and half notes and whole notes. No eighth notes this time. Okay. Right hand first. Let's make sure we get the notes and all that going, because the right hand is the one that's moving around a little bit. You're starting out with third finger here, but when you come to figuring out fingering on stuff, you can't just look at the first note. You got to look at what's coming. And if you look at the second measure, you see a C here. So I want the thumb on C, because the thumb isn't playing any other note. And I want third finger here at the beginning. So I'm actually in this position. I'm not in this position, I'm in this position. Now I could have been here, except in the second measure, I want thumb on C. So I'm here. So it's at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then in the third measure, I got to play a D, so now I got to come down to here. Now I'm in this position, but in the second line, I need the F again. I got to come back up. And now I got to come down again. So I'm moving around here, the thumb staying put. You'll get to where you'll do this without looking at the keyboard, because this is very common. Right now you may have to look, where am I, here or here, or where am I? But again, you want to develop that feel. The left hand isn't moving around. You're starting here with second finger on B flat. Remember, it's in the key signature. All B's are flatted, so it's here. 2, 3, 4. That's about it for the left hand. Put them together. Well, the first 2 measures is right hand. Now you're kind of here in this position. And then here. So you put the hands together and then get rid of the hesitations and try and get this where you can do this without looking at the keyboard if you can get to this part. Then we think about the interpretation, the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let the wrist claps a little bit on them. I exaggerate them so you can hear them better, but you really just want to feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And on the half notes, because both are accented a little, is the first beat of the measure gets a little stronger one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a hair. And then we think about the phrasing. They got words in here, and it looks like each line is a phrase. Well, if I just play the melody, does it sound like a musical thought? Yeah, it sounds like a thought, and then the second line would be another thought, another sentence. So lift up between them. So at the end of the first line here, and go on, I'd lift up. Just lift. Again, bring out the melody. It's in the right hand. This left hand needs to be light, very soft. So we hear the right hand. We want to hear the right hand. As far as how fast you go, that's up to you. You don't have to go as fast as I go. It depends. If you wanted to sing it, how fast would you take it if you sung it? Let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythm. So I'm going to play both hands about the same loudness. But I will lift up at the end of the first line for the phrase. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.